back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, so before thumbs up and comments, I asked you all about that to get rid of the shadow BAN that we have. I think we get straight into the video. The reason is, I think my opinion on what we're about to show, what we're about to unbox, what we're about to talk about, I think my opinion is correct. And I'm used to being correct on pretty much anything, so I'm excited. Let's go right now. Alright boys, where do we start? TikTokers, TikTok, alright? I was watching this TikTok video. This person has quite a massive following, right? You know those TikTokers? Of course you do. They're a little weird sometimes. I don't know if you've met them in person, but they're just as weird. Anyway, no hate, they're killing it. I got a bone to pick with this one, I think, but I'm already sidetracked. They're just strange. Anyway boys, I was watching this TikTok video and pretty much the person was showing this jewelry, right? I'm not sure if it was sponsored or not. I'm presuming it is. I think that's the word, presuming. I think I used that right. They're showing this jewelry and they promised the audience, a lot of these people that were watching, that this jewelry that they did say was not real diamonds or anything like that was, they promised, bro, the best quality. Now, this is where I come into play. I don't know how I stumbled across this video. Probably one of you guys sent it to me. But if anyone's going to tell you if the jewelry that is fake looks good, it's gonna be me. It's gonna be nobody else. I don't feel proud about this, bro, but I have unboxed more fake jewelry than anyone, probably, and I have the biggest fake jewelry collection there is. Damn it. I had to state that so you guys respect my opinion on this video. However, I hate that's what it's come down to, and that's what I'm known for. These are real, by the way. Question me, you die. But you can't handle it. So that's what it is, boys. We're checking out some TikToker. He said this is the best to his audience, and I've seen too many good things from all of our unboxings, too many good fake jewelries for this one to be the best, and for you to promise it to me. So I'm gonna call you out on your lies, sir, after this message. NameBran fam, link is down below. Get 2 free pieces of jewelry for the price of 1 shipping. Woo! Everything is free on there pretty much, and if you just pay for the shipping and stuff, I don't know. Anyway, NameBranFam.com, links down below. Get your jewelry, boys. Not the best quality in the world, I guarantee you. See, this is how we don't lie to our audience. And we're back! I watched back what I just said. It might be a little harsh, but you can't take away the title of saying something's the best when it might not be! Once again, I want to be right. This took forever to come in. Thankfully, I have notes. I have the website. If this jewelry is in fact, and it says on the bag I paid $89. If this does turn out to be good, there will be a link down below. So we're gonna check out this jewelry. I spent too much money on it, but hopefully it's good. And if it is good, I'll give them props, and no, I'll probably just lie so I still look right, you know. So I gotta take this W for once. Either way, I'm probably gonna lie and say it's bad. I also got a diamond tester here. They didn't say it would pass a diamond tester or anything, but if it looks real, you always gotta check, you know. Sometimes these things don't work that well and it'll pass. Let's go, boys. Comment thumbs up down below. NameBran. Now we call him BanBran. Shadow BanBran is back. Ugh, the new year, new me. Alright. Bro, what the? Give me a second. Bro, what the f is this? Now I'm really gonna look through my phone because I know I have it recorded somewhere on there, and I really looked. I'm gonna look farther for this damn TikTok video. They lied to your face. Ring, right here. I got 2 things. I actually didn't know that. First thing, 80 bucks. I don't even know where to go with this, bro. Like, I was actually... First thing right here. Does that... Frick, it looks good on camera, though. Does that look like the best quality? I'm just gonna tell you now, no. So that's the one thing I'm gonna say, boys. And I don't want to frickin' yell at you right now. Not the best quality. Now, you listen to these damn TikTokers. Ow! Oh! I forgot... Oh God, I forgot I spit on the floor. I've got a bad knee. That sucked. Now I hip. You can't be listening to the TikTokers, bro. I almost broke the leg off them. Ow! Bad quality. Search on Amazon, bro. Not good. You'll get it for $3. You know what I mean? Sorry, I'm trying to keep cool. I'm really hurting right now. That actually killed me. Diamonds. I've seen these a million times, bro. They're all over AliExpress. Search up diamond ring. The next thing... Seen these before too. Think I've sold them on my website before. No, not these actually. It looks good on camera because this is good lighting for the damn It's not. Now, I was actually clearly, like, I was joking when I was like, oh, lie to you guys and say it's bad when it's good. It's not good. I was hoping it would be good, honestly, guys, because that would be sick. I think everyone's looking for a cheap way to get some really cool jewelry. Why wear the real stuff when even your favorite rappers aren't? When you see them out in public, they got a bunch of replicas of their real stuff. They don't wear the real stuff out in public, bro. It's stupid, and that's a fact. But yeah, this isn't it, bro. This isn't it. We'll pull out the diamond tester just cause. No, you know what? No, I'm not even gonna treat you guys like you're stupid. We know it's not gonna pass. It's all just gemstones, shiny. It's nice lighting. It's bad quality. 80-something bucks. It's not worth it. TikToker who made this video, I'm gonna give you one option. Either you tell the truth to the people, or we do a collab together, and you leave my link or something down below. I need something. This isn't a blackmail, but I need something from you, or I destroy you.